Hello, today is Friday the 28th of September and I am on my way to a gig. Apparently it's going to take about 2 hours 20 minutes to get to where I'm going, just north of Manchester. Some cricket club, probably in the middle of nowhere. I'm on the motorway where we're supposed to be doing 70, I'm currently doing 30, so that's not really a good start. Hopefully it'll speed up as soon as some of these other idiots get off of the road. Still got a while to go. This is what I signed up for. I've done my gig at the Nelson Cricket Club. Absolutely loved it. Went really well. Got a lot of good feedback. Met a lot of good people. It's now 11:50. The gig finished about 2 hours ago, but I've just been sitting around and chatting to people. I've now got to drive for 2.5 hours to go back home. I'm walking over the M1 because I am on my way to get sorted out with a post-gig treat. It's end of September. It's absolutely freezing cold. I picked the wrong jacket for the cold weather. Oh, hiccups. McDonald's done, treat done. Time to go home. I made it home. It's 2:20 in the morning. Now I need to get into the house and be really quiet and not wake anyone up. So wish me luck. Bye.